There is map in front of you. Just check out the rivers. Today their names are Tigris and Euphrates. Whatever is given, we are just pronouncing. Literally the meaning, actually if you check out the spelling, it is something like tiger. They say Tigris, that is a river looking like tiger. So Tigris was the name. Another river is Euphrates. They are having origin in the Anatolia region, or that is called as Asia Minor. That is highland. To the north, you can just check out to the south of Black Sea and towards Caspian Sea, whatever the highland is there, that is called as Asia Minor, Anatolia. Today, it is called as Turkey or Turkestan. From that, these two rivers are having origin, and then they are entering in the plain land or desert of Sahara. That Sahara desert is actually extended in Asia continent also. And through that desert, these two rivers are flowing. As a result, we are getting their very fertile land in the basin of river. The region between these two rivers, in Hindi or in Urdu, we are calling it as Duab. Whereas in Greek language, they are called as Mesopotamia. So this region I am pointing out here, that is called as Mesopotamia. Now you can check out this region that is today in Syria, then Israel, parts of Iraq. Like that, today nations are there. At that time, it was called as Mesopotamia. And various civilizations developed on this land. For example, Akkad is the name of city, and Akkadian civilization developed in that land. Then Sumerian culture also developed in this land only. Then the most important culture, that is called as Babylonian culture, that is also developed there. And the last, that is Assyrian culture. In English, we are calling it as Assyrian culture, but in local language, we called it as Asur culture. The names of king, you may again say that we are going again towards Indian epics. Answer is yes. Because what is the reality that is there? You can check out. The civilization is called as Asur civilization. They are either pronounced as Asur, A-S-S-U-R-E, like that they are making some spelling, Asur or Asur or Ashur. The names of these kings are available. Their idols are also available. Asur Nasir Pal, Asur Bani Pal, Asur Mahipal, like that names of these Asur kings, they are available. Their idols are there. And they were explained in their native people in the same way as they were explained in Indian epics. They were very, very cruel people. They were torturing out the captives to very deadly extent. They were spreading out their terror so that when they were going to invade some territory, automatically that territory will surrender rather than terrifying by these Asur people. So this is also references that are there in the region that is called as Mesopotamia or today's Iraq, Syrian part. Even sometimes we are having doubt that name Syria, that is corrupted word as Shri, that is corrupted as Siri, like that. Don't know. But we are just discussing about this, describing about this Asur civilization, that all that is in Mesopotamian region. In latter phase, they say that some of them moved towards southern side. Now this map we are showing here a Babylonian civilization. It was initially in the Mesopotamia, then onwards they shift towards southern side and they persisted for some more period, that is Babylonian civilization. That everything is there in Arabian Peninsula. That what region is there, that is called as Arabian Peninsula.